Hi, my name is Kristen Hock, the Habitat Outreach Coordinator for New Jersey Audubon. You can garden for wildlife by providing food, water, cover, places to raise young, and use sustainable practices. When doing so, you can get your outdoor space recognized as a certified wildlife habitat. Let's talk about the food requirement. So you must provide 3 sources of food for wildlife. Now, it's early spring, so there's not too many native species blooming right now. So we have some supplemental feeders here that will provide food for a bunch of different types of birds. So suet feeders, woodpeckers really like that kind of feeder. A platform feeder where blue jays, cardinals, chickadees, and tufted titmouse will sit and get their seeds from. A different type of suet feeder, and a Niger feeder for our state bird, the American goldfinch. For your certified wildlife habitat, you must provide 1 source of water. An easy way to do that is a bird bath that provides water for drinking and bathing. Another way to provide water is to have a shallow dish, fill it with water with a rock in the middle. That way insects can land on the rock and drink without drowning. This also provides water for some squirrels and chipmunks. There are many options to provide 2 sources of cover. This is a log pile, and we have seen chipmunks, garter snakes, spiders, and other insects using it as a place to sleep and to get cover during the day. Wildlife will need 2 places to raise young in your certified wildlife habitat. Here we have a chickadee box. Last year we had 7 fledglings, and we're hoping for the same this year. Another option for a place to raise young is a tree or a shrub where wildlife can build a nest. There are many other options for places to raise young, such as a meadow or prairie, a wetland, a burrow, dead trees or snags, a pond, or host plants for caterpillars, such as milkweed for monarchs. To manage your habitat, we suggest using at least 2 sustainable practices, such as soil and water conservation. You can use mulch in your garden, which will reduce the amount of water that you use. Controlling exotic species by removing invasives from your property, using only native plants and reducing your lawn size, or organic practices such as eliminating chemical pesticides and fertilizers, or composting your kitchen scraps. Creating a certified wildlife habitat is easy and fun in any outdoor space, from an apartment balcony to a backyard to a farm, schoolyard, even a place of worship. You can create a certified wildlife habitat anywhere you're able to provide food, water, cover, places to raise young, and use sustainable practices. The certification is easy, online, takes about 5 minutes, and is cost-friendly at a one-time fee of $20. So won't you garden for wildlife and provide the necessary resources for our pollinators, songbirds, and other critters that we share our habitat with?